Yo, what's up guys? I'm Furia, the founder of Zero Trace, and today I'm going to showcase you BLELogger. I'm going to go through all the features, what it currently can do, what has been made, and show you some unique features that most keyloggers don't have in the hardware side. In the software side they have it, but in the hardware side it's something pretty new. So firstly, I plugged in already my keyboard. As you see everything, Endgame gear, what the product is, and it will also emulate the name. Let me try to get a picture of it. So I didn't connect it to my PC because it will interfere with my keyboard. So as you see in the Bluetooth settings, you can follow that. So now we will start. So in the config first, main config script. There's a there will be a scripting language implement like very similar to the zero trace. And as example, to replace keys, like example, if you want that if the guy presses F1, it will press F2. If you want to that if the first line in the life is like hello, then backspaces, remove it, and then type bye, something as that. And similar to, it's not developed yet. I didn't start, but I made the important features like keywords to detect one per line. So example, if the guy writes hello blah blah blah, it will detect these keywords in the writing. And then there's reject pattern. That's very important. Not everything is supported. I will make a documentation about it, what is supported. But basically what this means is to detect any how word, like even if it's uppercase and stuff, something I said. You could detect passwords, emails, whatever you have on your mind. Calibration. So let me first rename this so we don't mess it up, because I'm not going to fully do it. So this is my calibrate key map already. It's almost everything calibrate. I just think messed up some keys because the keyboard presses 2 times sometimes. So let's start. So basically what you're going to need to do is press each char on your keyboard, on the keyboard that's attached to the BLELogger, one by one. Let's say A, B, C, and you in the live you should already see calibrate key C to the key report. So I'm going to just put anything there to kind of skip it, but I think I just can do that also. I forgot. Now it create a key map. Of course, we're going to remove it. We're going to keep this. So I hope I didn't do anything wrong. Save changes. Now it should work. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. So as you see, these are the live mode, like debugging for the keyboard. You can follow the key codes, modifiers, and its translation. And this is the a better way to see what the guy types. So if I remove something, it should remove also. You see, if I type and if I press enter, it will start in a new line when I type. You see, so if I can backspace it, it's gone. So it's also smart, It won't give you the same details. And if I press Ctrl or whatever key, it should show it, I guess. Let me try this. Yeah, well, it didn't work. Space also working, as you see. The keys didn't work. We found a bug live. That's cool. So let's come to detection. So when I type hello, 1, 2, 3, as you see here, detection, keyword detected, and it will display you that it detected a line. So, and also if I type now how, like let me go on a new line, type something here, then press how. So in detection, it should show it. Reaches but in the index 20. So here, in the length of 3. So that's pretty much true. That's pretty it. that's the most important features that is pretty unique in my opinion. The calibration is also unique. The same design is like the Zero Choice kit. There's not much changed. Maybe these buttons, but it's pretty much the same. The settings are mostly for Wi-Fi station, so you can connect it to Wi-Fi, and selecting the default writing keyboard. That will be important later on. That's currently useless for you. So that will be used for the main config script, since if we write F1, we want to know the key code for that, so we will need a keyboard writing layout. The calibration won't help us because the calibration is just for the basic keys that will be needed to write something. As you see, only dots and stuff, so two small important key reports. But the really important is this will contain every key code, like space, media keys, possibly everything you could wish. Maybe even if you type hi, we could make something that moves your mouse. So that's pretty much it. I hope you like the BLELogger. I'm constantly working on it. We recently have opened our shipping back to the USA. It started on the 25th September, and then we will able to ship as freely as again. We will have a $2 fee, a €2 fee, but we will cover it. We won't charge the customer for it. We also are lowering our prices for the zero trace digital devices. As example, this will be lower to €25, and then everything will be the same since I find the pricing pretty fair. Also, if you buy currently, you could get a limited edition case. Either you will get a clear case and the color case, or you are going to get the color case included in your tree. So it will be three cases: the normal sand texture like this, and the carbon fiber. But included, or either the clear case and colored, or with colored. So two cases. It depends because I have limited clear cases and I'm not feeling to print them again. But I have about 20 another color cases, so it would be pretty good to put them in the package in the orders so people could be happy. I really like the colored case. I could show you it actually. So as you see, that's the color case. You see the bluish indigo color line. That's made by Tron. 4 stickers and a keychain, if you are lucky, of course, because it's mostly random. But you definitely will get the clear and colored one, or carbon fiber sand and colored one. It really depends on how much we have left. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the new product. See you in the next time.